Good morning, people. This is Captain Hook here. I'm going to explain to you how to become your void in Zoom calls or tutorials like this, which you can record in OBS. It's going to be quick and fast, so pay attention. First of all, first step, go to imma.degen.com. You will click Void Explorer. You will see this screen. Once in the Void Explorer, you will go to My Voids. There you will see an overview of your voids, the voids that you own, the voids that are in your wallet that you will connect. Download point VRM file. Okay. Remember where you save it. You will need it. Go to VSeeFace.icu. Press download. And download the latest version. Install. And open. The program will request you to upload an avatar. Upload the point VRM file that you just downloaded from the Void Explorer. Okay, you're doing fine. Screen will look like this. Cool. Okay, I see you smiling. I will go quickly through the settings. Mirror motion. We'll change the mirror. Speaks for itself. Reset position. If you press this, your voice will look in the camera. So only press this button when you are sitting straight forward or in the position that you wish, as rest position. Help speaks for itself. Props. You will be able to toggle on and off traits. In a later stadium we will explain to you how to do this. Avatar selection speaks for itself. Settings. Okay, quick, general settings. Just copy paste fine. Speaks for itself expression. Highest frame rate possible. Always 60. Don't go lower. Enable the virtual camera for this session. This means that VSeeFace will generate a virtual webcam. It's like a ledger on top of your webcam. This you can use for programs like Discord or Zoom. You can upload your own background or without background like me. For this, you need a transparent format file, PNG. If you don't have any knowledge of Photoshop and are not able to make this, ask it in the community. There's somebody that will help you out. Below, we only use keep virtual camera enabled to avoid doing this over and over again. On the left side, there are a couple of extra features. Arm angle. Fix holes in the clothes below your arms. Play around. There's nothing that you can do wrong. And if you did, press this button and start over again and again and again. Settings, expression. These are the blend shapes. You can choose between hold and toggle, which means that if you use this hotkey, it will stay on or only when you hold these buttons. Speaks for itself. Light settings. So we have a sun and ambient lighting here. Personally, I don't like ambient, so it's off. Sun. Shadows. You see? Some extra shadows. It's good. They look good. If you press Ctrl button, add left mouse button, you can change the position of the sun in your scene. You see? It's cool, huh? effects. I don't like it, personally. You can go through it, can just enable and disable them, and look what they do. Lip motion. So, you may have noticed my hands and arms can move. You need the lip motion box for this. And you also need to set it up. So, go through the settings. In front of you, let me zoom out a few. In front of you, you see the box. So here's my box. This should be the same as is in your room, at home, reality. Put your hands in front of your face and check if they are in the same height in the VSeeFace software. Once that is done, you are good to go. So, I hope you enjoyed. The tutorial is fast and quick, but voids are smart. There's more to come. Keep watching. Stay tuned.